So it should, it's okay.
Wow, look!
Oh my god! Crazy!
Wow!
Wow, this is unbelievable. It was so funny, huh?
Hello everyone, we are back with cooking with the couch surfer. And today we have Katherine.
Hi everyone, my name is Katherine. I'm from Dominican Republic.
And Katherine has been in Norway a few times already.
Oh yes, I do. I do love Oh, I'm not good for acting. For that, no, we need to start again.
Yeah, no, but I can cut and I will edit. I will edit. Hello everyone. So Katherine has been in Norway a few times, and what do you think about Norway?
Norway is one of the best country ever. I do love it. It's actually, I think, my first time here, and it's amazing. It's just like one of the best spot ever. Everything. You just even the water is really good today. I'm just happy. I'm in shorts and I was in the park like for 3 hours. It's like the best country.
I promise it's not the wine because we just pour it in. It's not the wine.
But this is doesn't go into the YouTube, okay guys? So please, if you're watching this, let me know.
So Katherine, this time you're going to some other places in Norway.
Yes, I'm going to. I'm going to Bergen and I'm going as well to Alisa. I'm very much looking forward. I have heard a lot of good things about them and I'm so excited. Just to spend my birthday. I won't say the number because you know guys, I look like 21, so it's better that you believe I'm 21. So yes, I'm going to celebrate my birthday over there.
Oh yeah, so she has a birthday on July 2nd.
Yeah.
So okay, everyone, guess how old she is. So shall we talk a little about the food?
Yeah, okay.
So she's making something she learned in Dominican Republic.
Yes. So we're gonna do what we call the Dominican flag. It's like the most typical food over there. It's rice, beans, and chicken. So it's very national, and of course some green salads. So here's the vegetable for the beans. Of course, we always use a little bit of this. We call sopita in Spanish. I don't know how you guys know. So here is the prescription. Actually, they should sponsor us.
Yeah.
Crazy!
Wow!
Wow! This is unbelievable. It was so funny, huh? Like 5 minutes ago.
Oh yeah.
What's going on here?
Wow!
Oh my goodness!
It's like the climate change.
Yeah, this is crazy. You don't want to take the blanket and stuff. Oh my goodness, this is insane.
That was so quick.
Yeah, really cool.
Probably there's someone like still in the park.
In the park,
and they
yeah,
have this weather.
surprise, yeah.
So we were talking about the vegetables. So you make this with this
Yeah,
thing?
we like to use this in Dominican. We call it sopita. Mostly we use the one with chicken because it's like a neutral taste. It's because it's bringing most of the vegetables like garlic, onion, and cilantro. As well, I mean, my particular taste, I like to put a little bit tomato, but most of the people, they don't use fresh tomato. They normally use a little bit of conserved tomato like puree, as well on the beans and some Norwegian beans. So these ingredients for our beans. For our chicken, so we're gonna eat chicken breast in the oven. It's have made with some similar vegetables already that we haven't used here. Plus,
we put in the mixer and mix with some spices.
Yeah, a little bit butter and olive oil. So we are very much looking forward. It looks actually delicious. It's not even ready. So we will tell you later, guys.
Yeah.
I mean, Eivind will tell you. Yeah.
You will see.
Now we are frying the onions with the garlic. Oh, sorry, guys. Small mistake.
Didn't see that.
No, no problem. Me neither.
Okay, so now you put the beans
The
in.
beans, and I like to let it fry a little bit, like for a few seconds.
So we have the beans, the tomato puree, the onion, the paprika, garlic.
Now I'm gonna put a little bit of real tomato.
Tomato.
Just give like this exotic taste, you know, guys. And then we just leave it to cook for a little while. Normally we put a little bit cilantro. Oh, actually we forgot the oregano. And oregano as well, guys. So yeah. But today we're gonna use. So, and then we just leave it to cook for a little while, and then we just put enough water and we leave it to boil until it get a little bit dry, and then we just eat it. So I think pretty soon, guys, the beans are getting much better, like more sticky. The rice as well. I'll show you guys. We like to cook the rice in Dominican very slow because with the vapor it can get really smooth inside and very soft. The chicken.
Are you sure it's enough rice for us too?
Well, this rice is enough for us and for some leftovers. So.
Yeah. Can you come and join and eat?
Yes, please come here.
And we have something here.
Not yet because I just turned it around. So this part needs to be cooked a little bit more. So maybe 10 more minutes.
10 more minutes.
And maybe we will be ready to eat.
And you know, often the slow cooked food is the best.
It's the best, you know, guys. It's the best. So please share our videos.
Alright, dinner is finished.
Yes, guys. So we have here what we were cooking for like around 45 minutes. So
You mean
delicious.
two hours?
Just 45 minutes maximum. Dominican cuisine is actually breakfast. Don't believe what other people say. Come on.
So I have the beans with the vegetables and the sauce. The chicken, which has been marinated in some very good sauce. And rice.
Rice.
And now we're gonna taste. Let's see. Put some chicken, some beans.
How you like it? Great.
Very good. Very good. The chicken is so tender and soft and tasty that you feel the marinade is like soaking into the chicken. So good. Also the beans and these vegetables. Very tasty. Even the rice. Soft.
Oh, please.
Is it good?
It's delicious. It is actually. It's really good.
I recommend you to try to make this. Dominican cuisine. So, Katherine has been in Norway many times. What do you think about Norway?
Oh, I love.
So, Katherine has been in Norway 3 times already, and what do you think about Norway? So, Katherine has been in Norway a few times. What do you think about Norway?
Norway's best country ever. Oh God, this can. Oh my God, it's the best. It's just like don't put the can in my face. You should hide the can, then maybe I will talk normal.
Okay.